Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to be unboxing and installing TurboTax Home and Business 2022 that I got from Costco for $75. And it's item number 2022004. It also includes a $10 credit for in-product add-ons. It's kind of funny because this used to be $64.99 and now it's $74.99 for the same edition, and you get a $10 credit. So they're basically forcing you to pay for state. I know a lot of people probably do just pay to e-file state, but I just thought that was kind of funny. And here's the inside flap if you're curious. So here's the feature matrix that you can use to determine which version that you need. It's probably on their website too. And here's the bottom. And if you're curious what's on that QR code, it's just the note with the product number. Note that per the minimum system requirements, Windows 8.1 is no longer supported. It's because it's no longer supported by Microsoft as of January 10th, 2023. And this does have a key code that you have to use to activate the product. Prior to 2021, you did not need a product key. Alright, let's rip this bad boy open. Off to a good start. And here's the sleeve that the disc comes in with the product key hidden. The sleeve instructions. And do note that this has a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied with your TurboTax software purchase, simply go to and provide your product license code along with the date of receipt within 60 days of purchase for a full refund. Alright, and inside the disc sleeve, it says a little bit more about that credit. And some more fine print. And here's the beautiful disc. These aren't going to exist for much longer. Alright, let's go find a CD drive somewhere and install this. Alrighty, so got the disc in. Let's check the digital signature of this installer. Digital signature is okay, signed by Intuit. Alright. Nobody's reading this, right? Next. Install location, update automatically enabled. Don't count me in. I am ready to start my taxes, unfortunately. Looks like TurboTax isn't ready. Let's update. Looks like there was an update a few days after the new year for both state and program. All right, let's see if TurboTax is ready now. Looks like they still haven't fixed that bug. I click Start using TurboTax, and it just closed the installer. So let's launch it again. Alrighty, now we enter our activation code. And activate TurboTax. Yay! Finally. I've never filled out this form in 12 years of using TurboTax. Begin. Can I transfer the return from 2020? Look at these nice fake progress bars. Ooh. So since I always want to make sure the files aren't corrupted, I'm going to make a hash of all the files on the TurboTax disk. Well, it's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. So, thanks for watching.